My name's Naomi. I did the jewellery making course for beginners at Central St Martin's. So my experience with jewellery making is chainmail. I make, this kind of jewellery, but I've never done any soldering or using any heavy machinery before, so that was the first. So yeah, we had, the first project was a keychain, then it was, we were making a pendant and earrings, so this is what I've got on, the pendant here and the earrings. And then the last project was a ring, which I've also got on. While we were doing the pendant, we had to press textures onto the metal, and so I was inspired by chainmail. So I couldn't actually press the chainmail onto the metal because it would have basically pierced the metal. So instead I tried to replicate the chainmail design as best as I could onto the metal, so yeah. So by making jump rings out of brass and then just lining them up together and then putting sticky tape so that it sticks and then putting it through a rolling mill, I think it's called. So I decided to do the course because I wanted to learn more about jewelry making, especially melting metals or learning about metals and how to really transform them. The experience was great. I loved it. The teacher, amazing. This university, amazing. Learned lots of new things and it's given me lots of motivation. Yeah, so I'm really happy.